History of North Cyprus. Cyprus Island is located in the eastern portion of the Mediterranean Sea, south of Turkey, west of Syria and Lebanon, east of Greece, and north of Egypt. It is located at the confluence of Western Asia, Southern Europe, and Northern Africa, and has had periods of the influence of several dynasties such as Byzantine, Lusanian, Genoese, Venetian, Ottoman, and British. At the same time, it has been the home of Armenian, Jewish, Nestorian, Maronite, and Jacobite communities. Cyprus is also located in the Alpine Himalaya belt, the second most intensive seismic zone of the Earth, where the earthquake represent about 50% of the seismic activity of the world. Cyprus was famously known for its trade and touristic nature and has a common culture and civilization with other Mediterranean coastline countries. It was prominent in the production and trade of cotton, sugar, salt, grain, and wine. Cyprus was ruled by the Byzantine Empire for about 800 years after the administrative separation of East and West Rome in 395. After the agreement between Justinian and Khalifa Abdul Malik in 688, Cyprus became impoverished. After this period, the religious center moved to Arsino, Amakostos. There was a city named Arsino at the current location of Famagusta. Arsino Amakostos became more important after the severe earthquake happened in Salamis in 15 BC, 76-77 AD, and 332 AD. There are two different theories about the etymology origin of the name Famagusta. One theory says Fama Augusti means fame or glory of Augustus, and Amakostos is the way it is pronounced by the local dialect advocates. The other theory considers that Amakostos means hidden in the sand in the Greek language, and then the name Amakostos changed to Famagusta. The Arabic name of the Latin Famagusta was Al-Magusa, and the Turkish name of the city, Mausa and Gazi Mausa, looks like the Arabic name. The walled city of Famagusta, located in the east of Cyprus, has a shape similar to a rectangle of 850 meters and 600 meters, and has an area of 50 hectares and a circumference of 2,830 meters. In 965, Cyprus entered the Byzantine region again, and it was enriched in a short time and a fast process of rebuilding the emerging bright cities of the island while abandoning the ancient cities. At this time, Salamis was abandoned for the port Amakostos, which was of much higher status. After the immigration from the historical city of Salamis to the ancient city of Arsino in 648, the population increased in the location of the nowadays walled city of Famagusta. In many sources, this migration was mentioned as the result of asylum seekers escaping Arab attacks. Famagusta developed after the demolition of Salamis. In May of 1191, Richard, the King of England, took Cyprus from Isaac Komnenos, the King of Cyprus, and he transferred the management rights to the Templar Knights when he went to Jerusalem in April of 1192. The Knights returned the management to King Richard. King Richard sold the island to the King of Jerusalem, Guy the Lusanian, for 100,000 gold ducats.